My people, nature has provided every remedy we need to heal, and sometimes the smallest things can bring the greatest transformation. This tiny spice you overlook every day has the power to cleanse the blood, calm the body, and restore your energy.
Every year, millions of seniors struggle with high blood sugar, painful joints, weak digestion, and declining immunity. Yet the solution might already be sitting quietly in your kitchen. Dr. Sebi believed that nature provides everything the body needs to heal itself. And today, we reveal one of his most powerful secrets. Syzygium aromaticum, also known as clove. Just 2 cloves a day, yes, only 2, can trigger a chain reaction in your body that supports your heart, cleanses your gut, strengthens your bones, and even protects your brain from aging. But here's what most people don't know. If you take cloves in the wrong way or at the wrong time, you could block these powerful benefits completely. So stay with me until the end as we unlock the exact method Dr. Sebi trusted to transform health naturally. Now let's get straight to the main point. Why did Dr. Sebi consider cloves one of the most healing spices on earth? It's because Syzygium aromaticum is not just a spice for flavor. It's an alkaline powerhouse loaded with eugenol, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, manganese, vitamin K, and potent essential oils that can reverse many silent health issues that come with aging. The first and most important benefit is blood sugar balance. Seniors often experience glucose spikes after meals, leading to tiredness, frequent urination, and increased cravings. Cloves help your body use insulin more effectively, slowing the speed at which sugar enters your blood. Imagine your blood sugar staying controlled naturally, helping prevent prediabetes from turning into a lifelong condition. That's what just 2 cloves a day can do. The second major benefit is for digestion, something almost every senior struggles with. Gas, bloating, reflux, constipation. These are often caused by harmful bacteria like H. pylori. Cloves act like a natural antibiotic, killing bad bacteria in your gut and stimulating digestive enzymes so you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. No more acid burning your throat, no more sleepless nights due to indigestion. The third major benefit hits the heart directly, clearing arteries and improving circulation. The antioxidants inside cloves reduce bad cholesterol buildup, helping your blood flow freely. Seniors who chew cloves daily often report warm hands and feet again, fewer cramps, and better stamina when walking. That means better independence and mobility well into later years. And speaking of mobility, let's talk about arthritis and joint pain. One of the biggest enemies of aging. Studies show cloves block inflammatory pathways that cause swelling and stiffness in knees, hips, wrists, and fingers. Over time, the pain doesn't just reduce, movement becomes smoother, easier, and less frightening. Imagine bending down to pick something up without that sharp, stabbing pain. This could be your new reality with consistent use. Cloves also work powerfully on your immune system, another area that weakens drastically after age 50. Every day our bodies are attacked by viruses, bacteria, and free radicals. but eugenol acts like a shield, protecting your cells and helping you recover faster from infections. Seniors who include cloves regularly report fewer seasonal flus, faster wound healing, and more energy. And that's because cloves don't just kill germs, they rebuild your defenses from the inside. But here's a benefit that is even more important: protecting your brain and nerves. Over the years, oxidative stress slowly damages brain cells, leading to forgetfulness, confusion, and risk of dementia. Cloves fight this stress aggressively, improving memory, strengthening focus, and supporting calmness by reducing inflammation in the nervous system. This is one of the reasons Dr. Sebi emphasized foods that keep the brain nourished. He believed aging should not steal your mental clarity, and cloves help ensure that. Now let's talk about another major hidden function: liver detoxification. Your liver is the main filter of your body, but after decades of medication, alcohol, oily food, and pollutants, that filter gets clogged. When your liver is tired, everything suffers. Your skin dulls, digestion becomes weak, and toxins stay trapped inside you. Cloves help remove stored toxins and support bile flow, giving your liver the power to clean your blood again. And yes, many people even notice brighter skin and reduced age spots because of improved detox. But there's still more. Cloves are one of the strongest anti-cancer foods nature offers. The same eugenol that fights inflammation also destroys abnormal cell growth before it turns dangerous. Research shows its biggest impact is in protecting the digestive system, colon, stomach, liver, all places where cancer often develops silently. Seniors especially need this protection because with age, cell regeneration slows down and harmful mutations become more likely. Cloves help your cells repair faster and stay healthy longer. And here's a topic many seniors shy away from: sexual health. Aging often reduces libido, stamina, hormonal strength, and performance. But cloves improve blood flow, raise natural testosterone levels, and enhance nerve sensitivity, making intimate life active and fulfilling even into the 70s or 80s. So, if someone tells you life slows down after 60, cloves will prove them wrong. Another overlooked benefit is oral health. Bad breath, gum infection, and tooth sensitivity are extremely common among seniors. Cloves are traditionally used in dental care because they numb tooth pain, kill mouth bacteria, and prevent plaque buildup. This means fewer expensive visits to the dentist and a fresher, more confident smile. Now, listen to this carefully. These benefits don't just happen on their own. There's a specific way Dr. Sebi encouraged using cloves to unlock their full healing potential. If you swallow them directly without activating their essential oils, most of the healing power passes through your body undigested. If you take too many, you might irritate the stomach. If you take them at the wrong time, the benefits might reduce drastically. So how do you take them correctly? First, the simplest and most powerful method is chewing 2 cloves on an empty stomach every morning. Place them in your mouth, allow the oils to release slowly, and chew gently for a minute before swallowing. This activates all the essential compounds like eugenol and flavonoids, allowing them to travel quickly into your bloodstream to support your heart, digestion, nerves, and immune system. If chewing is difficult, you can place the 2 cloves in a glass of warm water overnight and drink that clove-infused water first thing in the morning. This helps reduce acidity and supports easier digestion. You can also boil 2 to 3 cloves in water for about 5 minutes to make clove tea. This is especially helpful at night if you're struggling with sleep, indigestion, or nighttime pain. Dr. Sebi often recommended foods that reduce mucus and acidity, and clove tea does exactly that, clearing the gut and respiratory system, helping your lungs breathe freely again. Now, let's discuss the powerful nighttime clove ritual that seniors absolutely love because of its calming and healing effects. If you suffer from poor digestion after dinner, gas, bloating, restless legs, or difficulty falling asleep, this ritual can change your nights completely. Take 1 clove, place it under your tongue, and let it rest there while you lie down. The oils release slowly, calming the nervous system, improving circulation to the brain, and reducing acid reflux that often wakes seniors up. Many elderly viewers report deeper, uninterrupted sleep using this simple method. Just remember, do not chew this nighttime clove. The purpose is slow release while you sleep. Now, how long does it take to see changes? Some benefits like breath freshness or reduced bloating can be noticed within 3 to 5 days. Joint pain, inflammation, and blood sugar improvements may take 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your lifestyle. And anti-aging benefits like, sharper memory, better heart health, and improved immunity really build up gradually over consistent use. The key is patience and a daily routine. Your body didn't weaken in one day, so healing will also take steady, gentle progress. But while cloves are powerful, it's very important to know the limits and warnings. Just because 2 cloves are healthy does not mean 10 cloves will heal faster. Overconsumption can actually irritate the stomach, cause a burning sensation, or even make you feel a bit dizzy. So it's best to avoid exceeding 2 to 3 cloves per day. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, or if you're preparing for surgery, be aware that cloves might increase bleeding risk. It's really important to consult your doctor before starting. For those with stomach ulcers, severe acidity, or inflammatory bowel disease, it's wise to begin slowly. Perhaps try clove tea instead of chewing them directly. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should use cloves only in small culinary amounts, not as a medicinal dose. And remember, cloves should never be taken as powder on an empty stomach because the strong oils can irritate the throat and stomach linings. These small precautions ensure that you receive all healing benefits safely and comfortably. Let's now connect everything to Dr. Sebi's healing philosophy. He always said that diseases cannot survive in an alkaline environment. Most modern foods are acidic, processed sugar, fried foods, dairy, red meat, and they weaken the body over time. Cloves are strongly alkaline and cleansing, meaning they remove mucus, acidity, and harmful bacteria from the body. This helps restore the natural balance inside you. When elders say they feel younger, lighter, or more energized after using cloves, it's because their body is no longer fighting chronic inflammation all day. This small habit supports the body's natural intelligence to repair itself, instead of masking symptoms like many modern medicines do. And the best part, cloves are affordable, easily available, and straight from nature without chemicals or side effects when used wisely. Healing doesn't have to come in a capsule. It can come from a spice you've used all your life without knowing its real superpower. So, imagine this future for yourself. You wake up in the morning with less joint stiffness. Your digestion feels smooth without burning or heaviness. Your blood pressure and sugar remain controlled without fear. You walk confidently without fatigue. Your memory stays sharp. You sleep soundly through the night. You become independent, active, and energized, not waiting for someone to take care of you. This is the promise of adding a small habit like 2 cloves daily. It's not magic, it's nature doing what it was designed to do. And you deserve every bit of that vitality, no matter your age. If you start today, 1 month from now, you will already thank yourself for the decision you made. Because your best years are not behind you, they're waiting ahead. So let's take action together. Start by adding 2 cloves daily, be consistent, and keep listening to your body as it gets stronger. Comment below "I'm starting today" so we can support each other through this incredible journey. And if you found this information helpful, give this video a like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more natural healing wisdom like this. We have so many powerful remedies coming up that can transform senior health naturally, just like Dr. Sebi envisioned. Until then, remember, your body is designed to heal, and every small step you take brings you closer to a healthier, longer, more independent life. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.